Hello to everyone. I'm Catherine Torres, mom of three kids. They are 21, 18, and 12. I've been working in Qatar as a domestic helper, doing all our household chores like cooking, baking, cleaning house, ironing, washing clothes, cleaning car, and taking care of handicapped child. Like I'm doing every day, changing diaper, taking her a bath, giving medicine, bringing her to school, and blender all her foods every time she eat. And I'm also doing as a caregiver for my madam diabetic disease, sick, and also her son make a tutor for her thesis every day until she finishes studying. And then in Saudi Arabia, I've been working was cooking, ironing, washing clothes. After that, I've been working here in the Philippines as a caregiver of old man. I've been doing changing diaper, taking a bath. He's 56 years old. This paralyzed person. I hope you will choose me as your household worker. I'm a patient, trustworthy, and love to my work. That's all.